Hello everybody and welcome to the October unboxing for the Stationery selection. If you are new here, welcome. I'm going to be opening this month's box from the Stationery selection. If you've been here for a while, you may have noticed that I did not do an unboxing for September, and that is because I took the month off. So you will not find a September unboxing for 2023 here on my channel, but I'm sure you could find them from the other design team members. But let's just go ahead and jump right in. All right, so I've got my little cheat sheet that shows all of the items in this month's box to kind of give me an idea of what's going on. But let's just go ahead and jump right in to the first item. It is this set of stickers that I think was curated with one of our design team members, so that's really exciting. I love it when my phone randomly goes off. So there's a little postcard. That's really cute. And then, so we've got some texturally different stickers here. This one is kind of like not shiny. It's like a vinyl, but it's not shiny. It's like a matte vinyl. So that's really cute. It's got this little Christmas tree little towel, and then this one is shiny and it looks like another little quote, and this one is a clear sticker. It's so fun that like texturally the stickers are different. Here's another one of that matte vinyl. These are so interesting. So much fun. They almost look like magazine covers or photos from like a gallery. It's all very interesting. And then there are 4 on here. So each one of these little pictures is a sticker. So that's cute. We've never had anything like this before, so that's really fun. And I like how interesting it is. This style is becoming very popular, like the Polaroid sort of eclectic POV type of thing has become kind of really popular. So I'm really interested to test this style out, which is one of the best parts about getting these kits, is that I'm able to go out of my comfort zone. So there are the stickers. Next are a box of these Uniball 1 limited edition pens from the Mitsubishi Pencil Company, and we got a box similar to this a few months back, but look at these colors. These colors are really fun. So we've got like a peach, like a very light tan, and a lavender. So we'll do a pen color swatch to see kind of how they look. I'm always interested to see like the colors in reality compared to like what they want them to be. And I love that they're limited edition. Mitz is always really good about that. All right, next is this. This is really fun. It looks like something that we got like a while ago. But also I think these are sticky notes, and the ones I'm thinking of were loose papers. So yeah, these are sticky notes, and texturally these are different. So it's like cloth and then slick and like shiny. So I really like that. I'm pretty sure the ink is going to show up very nice on here, but there's some pretty designs there. So that's really fun. This is really going in one direction, and I'm pretty sure you guys know where we're going. We've got some stickers here, so let's go ahead and open this. And these look very, very similar to stickers that we just got. I just found them again and lost them again. But these are really fun. This is kind of like a purple variety, and I don't have any fully white paper. Maybe this. So here are the colors. There's a lot of options here, but all of them have like this really delicate gold ring around them, which I think is really fun. And then I kind of even like this backer card. All right, the last item which I'm sure you guys already have picked up on, and I'm personally very excited about, is the planner. Yes, Mitts included a full-size, full-year planner. And to say I'm stunned is sort of an understatement. Mitts has gotten us planners in the past, but they've never been quite as big as this. They're usually like monthly planners or like really thin, undated weekly planners. But this is something new. I have heard of Nolte for years now, and I've never liked the layout. It's too business oriented. I work inside of my home, and the layouts I just never were drawn to. I don't know. But I opened this and I did a quick flip through, and you guys, this is a layout I have not seen before. Either I wasn't looking or I wasn't paying attention, because I just figured the whole brand itself wouldn't be something I would connect with. But this is amazing. I love this. I'm just going to quickly flip through. So you've got your cover page, your year at a glances, again, a year at a glance for the daily. You've got your monthly plan. If you've got any major monthly events that you need to plan for, vacations, birthday travel, whatever, you've got a planning list, like a forward planning list. And then it goes straight into these monthly layouts. Now, I will admit I am not vibing well with the red, pink on these. Again, it takes me back to like the 90s file of facts, where it's just very bold and in your face and there's no personality. But I think that's the beauty of what community we are in. We can adapt this to be whatever we want. And I have seen a lot of people do that. So I'm eager to test the theory to see if I'm capable of going beyond my comfort zone. So we've got the monthly until March, it looks like. And then we have these weeklies. So you've got 2 boxes on the top for each day. So you can put any appointments that you have for that particular day up top, and then any to-dos, like your major to-dos. And then you've just got like a running brain dump here. That is how I'm processing this layout. This is how I am going to use it. I'm going to basically put appointments up here, major to-do lists or due dates or projects that I have to do, or my kids, anything that I need to like be aware of is going to go up here. And then the brain dumping is going to happen down here. To-do lists, I've got one right here and it fits perfectly there. But I have running to-do lists for my entire week, and then I have daily to-do lists, everything. So this is just perfect for that. It goes until these numbers are these pages are numbered with the month down the side here, if you can see. So we've got 12, 1, all the way back to 12 again. And then it goes to a section of just blank grid paper, which I love. But as if that wasn't enough, we also have this included, another additional blank removable notebook. And I love this. Even the back cover is printed, so there's like no wasted paper in this whatsoever, which I love to see. And then we've got these promotional papers for Nolte and their different layouts. This is, I think, for their ringed planner system. And then we have the transit maps for probably Tokyo and other famous Japanese cities, which are beautiful. Super handy that they are like so mindful of that, because they know that the residents are going to use that. And then we have a very generous pen loop. Let me see. Do I have a... And the reason I say generous is because like it's just, there's a lot of space here. Like if I wanted to put a really chunky fountain pen in here, I would have no issues. So this Hobonichi pen fits perfectly. And then it just hangs out on the side like this. I love this. I love that it already has a cover on it. I love the size. It's B6 and I love that. I'm just gushing over this planner that I just did not expect to love. But here we are. I love it, and I'm actually really eager to make it a part of my daily life and keeping track of everything. I just love the idea of this. So let's test these pens. Oh, I love this color. And the size is really good too. It's a lot darker than I guess I kind of gave it credit for. I was really expecting this one to be really kind of muted. Let's test this one. And this one is a little bit darker than I expected it. I like how soft it is. It's really nice. These are all really great. And then we'll try the lavender. All right, so this one is a little bit more light than I would probably anticipate or enjoy to use. I mean, I don't think I'll stop using it, but it probably wouldn't be the first of the three I would grab. I would probably grab this brown one and then the peach one over the lavender, just because of like it's easier to see. But let's test this stuff. There we go. The orange seems to have showed up the best on that, but the writing experience was great. I really liked it. Oh, okay. And it's double glued. So not only is it held on with its adhesive, but the top of the notepad is glued as well for that extra bit of security. Boom. Look at that. Here we go. There we go. I did it. I don't know. I think that's all great. I really love all of it. I think this is all really interesting, and I just can't wait to play. And the colors even match these as well, like so well. Oh, Mitts, you amaze me constantly. Okay, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you need any information, you can find all of that down below, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.